So for tonight, we cannot call this man Kit Set anymore. This is the Prime Minister. Prime Minister. Prime Minister Calypso. Calypso. I understand at the tents you had quite a few encores.
Yes, being consistently 3 every night in the tent. Something we went to 4. It was a great season. Can't complain.
Okay, tell us about tonight. How did you feel up there tonight?
Tonight it was great. The crowd just took the song from me, you know, they were like waiting for it, you know, so yeah, you have to be grateful for me and get that kind of response from a crowd.
Yeah, you did. You pretty much had a standing ovation up there.
Whoa, thank you.
Okay, so in terms of preparing though for a song like this, I know you were listening to this song, you were talking about things that were happening in the...
Make sure everything's national.
Yeah.
Everything in my song was national, and there's a national crowd, so that's what I like about it.
So you're happy with tonight?
I'm very happy.
Okay, happy. All right, thank you very much.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right.